FIFA Boss 10 again, and I'm gonna be doing some basketball shots, and that bin right there, and I'm gonna see how much I can make before an hour, or actually 20 minutes. So let's get started. So I'm getting started and over. I'll hold it in my hand. The simplest thing is just to shoot it in the bin. Ooh, I almost hit that inside. It's difficult than you think. And oh, I think I broke something. I think I broke something. Oh, my bird, she left. My bird left, guys. Oh, what have I done? I think I'll stop the video right here. Look at the cage.